how to log into Amazon Rewards Mastercard online. Because in this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily log into your Amazon Rewards card. For that, you first have to simply open up your web browser, click on the search bar, and simply search for Amazon Rewards Mastercard login, and then hit enter. You'll find this link right here, MBNA Canada, Amazon CA Rewards Mastercard. Go ahead and open this up. Now, all you have to do now is click on the login button at the top right corner if you already have an account. And from here, you'll be taken directly to the login page or the login portal. Here, just enter your login name, the one you've set up while creating your account, then enter your password. And by clicking this checkbox, your browser will remember your login name or your password so that you don't have to enter all of those details every time you try to log in. Now just tap on this login button and you should be able to get into your account. But if you somehow forgot your login name or password, just click right here to recover them. And that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below, subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.